In this video, we will cover how to set your X, Y, and Z 0 on a B58 controller. First, make sure your machine has been properly honed. Once the hone procedure has been completed and the material has been secured to your table, it's time to set the origin position. Remember, the location of your origins will be set up in your software. Insert a tool that comes to a point, like a V-bit. Then use the controller to jog to the location you would like to set up as the origin. For this piece, we will be using the lower left-hand corner. Once you have reached that position, press the XY0 button on the controller. Now, the X and Y coordinates should read 0. It's now time to set up your Z0. Remember, there are two ways to do this. First, insert the tool you will be using and lock it into the spindle. In our software, we chose the top of the material as our origin point. To set the Z0 manually, simply jog the tool down to the surface of the material. Using a piece of paper or a flashlight is common for this. If using a flashlight, jog the bit down until the shadow and the tip of the tool are touching. Then press the Z0 button. With Z highlighted, press OK. You can also use the included touch-off puck. Plug the puck into your machine, set the puck on top of the material, press the tool set button. The Z will now move the negative position until it makes contact with the puck. Unplug the puck from the machine and your Z0 is set. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, you can always refer to your Axiom user manual or visit us online at axiomprecision.com.